안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 Rajeev Kumar입니다. 저는 오늘은 Korean Advanced Grammar 대해서 가르치려 하겠습니다. Today's grammar is Nande. Okay, Nande. Okay. So basic meaning is it is like no phrase or clause. Okay, right? This is a conjugative ending attached to a verb stem. Okay, verb stem which explains circumstances. Okay, the sentence includes a phrase or a clause as thou or while or participle in English. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. Okay, how we can use it, how this grammar is used while making sentences. Okay, let's take one example. First example. Okay, first example. It was a very difficult problem, but I solved it well. Okay, it was a difficult problem, but I solved it well. Okay, so how you will say this in Korean? Okay, how you will make the sentence in Korean? So 아주 아주 어려 아주 어려운 문제인데 문제인데 잘 풀었어요. 풀었어요. Okay, 풀었어요. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example. Example second one. Okay, thou or thou, it is not good for health. He smokes continuously. Okay, so I will say in Korean, how you will write in Korean? Okay, okay, so you will write like this. 건강 건강게 나쁜데. Okay, 계속 담배 담배를 피워요. Okay, good. Okay, okay. I hope understand this class. Okay, okay. Let's one more example. One more example. Okay. One more example. Let's take. Thou it is rainy season. rainy season, there is no rain. Okay. So I will say this in Korean. I will make the sentence in Korean. Okay. Okay. So you will say like this. Changma, Jangma, Chol, Chol Jangma Chol Shiga, Ochi, Anhaya. Anha. Okay. Okay. So I hope you guys understand this class, understand this, how to use this grammar. Okay. Nanda, Korean advanced grammar Nanda. Okay. In a sentence. Okay. Very good. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy the class. Okay. If you want membership of our classes, you can join membership. Our membership is very, very reasonable. Fees are very, very reasonable and affordable. I hope you guys able to do that and please subscribe our channel. Once subscribe, please message me in the chat box. Will reply with the thanks. Okay. And I will explain you your doubts. Okay. So 다음 수업 만납시다. 안녕히 계세요. 감사합니다.